Caltrain 127 to San Francisco. 115 leads off. MP36. I think that's Aaron Paul Stalker, 926, I think. 924. Alright, folks, EMU Spectre. 710. San Jose Deer Dog. There it goes to San Jose Deer Dog. Alright folks, this is Caltrain 126, I think, on its way to San Francisco. The local Caltrain 115 and 924. The guy on the bicycle couldn't go. Alright folks, look at that train off to San Francisco. Northbound to San Francisco. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Alright folks, coming up next is Caltrain 311 to San Francisco. At Redwood City Station, this is the EMU Statler coming on track number, the northbound track. Leads on. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Alright folks, this is 311 to San Francisco. Air Fong is on this train, going back to San Francisco. 318 tailing in the back. Look at that train, folks, to San Francisco. The limited train. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Still more to come. Railfanning at Redwood City with the old trains and the new trains. Bye-bye now. Alright, folks, we got two trains approaching. We got the 312. That's a Statler, and the 413. That's also a Statler. Here it comes. 312 to Tamia coming up. Final destination. And here comes 412 to San Francisco. Back to back. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. A train meet at Redwood City. Caltrain 312, final destination, Tamian. 318 leading this one off. And 307. Look at that train post on to Tamian. Alright folks. Okay, on the opposite track, northbound track is 413. Now boarding. And they go 312 off to Tamia doing a horn show down there.
Stand behind yellow line at all times.
Okay, folks, we are back. This is Caltrain 413 to San Francisco at Redwood City Station. That's a Stellar EMU electric train. 320 in the back. Alright, folks, take that train. That train is off to San Francisco. Home on the 49ers, home on the Giants, and home on the Golden State Warriors. Well, Golden State Warriors is part of the Bay Area. I'm Marcel Hall. Still more to come. Caltrain and Railfanning at Redwood City. Please like, share, and subscribe to me. Have a good evening. Still more to come. Bye. Alright, folks, here comes Caltrain 711. Final destination of that train is Oakland Jet London Square / San Francisco. Here it comes. 325 leaves off. Alright, folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Railfanning at Redwood City. The Stellar EMU electric train. Alright, folks, here comes Caltrain 128. Final destination of that train is Tavia. Here it comes. And there go Caltrain 711 on its way to Oakland Jet London Square / San Francisco. There you go, that train is going to San Francisco. The local train 128 arriving at Redwood City Station. .322 leaves off. Alright, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. We'll be right back. Alright, we are back. This is Caltrain 128 on its way to Tavia. 322 leading off. Alright, folks, look at that train off to Tavian. Alright, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Still more to come. Alright, folks, we got a Caltrain meet right now. This is Caltrain 129 to San Francisco. Here it comes at Redwood City. .313 leaves off. 313. Pick up 712 to Bakersfield / San Jose Dearden. 306 leaves off. Alright, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks on the two Caltrain EMU Stellar. Caltrain 712 San Jose Dearden / Bakersfield. There it goes. Alright, there go that train. San Jose Dearden station. And there's 129 on its way to San Francisco. Alright, there goes 712 on its way to San Jose Dearden. I'm Marcel Hall, still more to come right after this short break. Alright, folks, this is Caltrain 414 on its way to San Jose Dearden station. Here it comes. F40 PH. Finally, the old diesel train is coming. This is Caltrain 414. Night 22, Tavia leads off. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break. Alright, Caltrain 414, going to San Jose, 922, that's Tavia. Alright, there it goes. San Jose. A fan gave me a thumbs up on my channel. I'm Marcel Hall, more to come right after this. Alright folks, here comes Caltrain 313 to San Francisco. Here it comes. EMU Statler lead it off. 323 leads off. 324. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks for the departure of 313. Gotta love these new Caltrains, the EMU Stattlers. Stay tuned. Okay folks, this is Caltrain 313 on its way to San Francisco. This is a Statler EMU right now. Alright, here it goes. You gotta let that acceleration of that train do. Alright folks, there it goes, on its way to San Francisco. The final stop, Fort and King. Alright folks, I am Marcel Halls. Still more to come. Happy Thursday of this Railfanning week. Tomorrow is the last day of the old gallery cars and the F40 PH's cars, engines. Bye-bye now. Train 314. That train is headed to San Francisco, not San Francisco, San Jose. (9:15) South San Francisco leads off. And the guy right by the pole is recording the train too. Alright folks, 9:15 South San Francisco, right in front of our face. We'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Okay folks, 414 Caltrain to San Francisco, 9:15 South San Francisco. Everybody's in the action recording trains today. Okay, Caltrain is 119. There it goes, folks. On its way to San Jose. Why do you say San Francisco? I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Still more to go. All right, folks. Here comes Caltrain 415, aka 415, San Francisco area code. Final destination of that train is San Francisco. This is the train that me and Aaron Fong were board on. Here it comes. It's an EMU Statler. Caltrain 415, the area code of San Francisco. 301, the Troll unit. And I forgot the tag. I'm a tag right now. Alright folks, we'll be getting on the train. Be right back. Bye.